Welcome back, guys. Thanks for joining me. My name is Harrison Bevins. I'm a six-figure Amazon seller, and in the latest videos I've been showing you guys how to do some of the most basic things in your Amazon Seller Central dashboard. To follow up on the last video, we spoke about the UPC code and what that means and how to input that in your Seller Central dashboard to create your listing. And in this video I'm going to explain a little bit about what the FNSKU is, or also known as Fulfillment Network SKU, which is basically an Amazon specific barcode or unique identifier so that they know that your product belongs to you. So there's a lot of confusion around this, and I'm often reading in Facebook groups or forums people asking, what do I do with the FNSKU? They often mix up the UPC and the FNSKU, and they don't know which one needs to go on the product packaging and all that good stuff. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how the FNSKU should be handled and how it applies to your product, and the correct way to basically create a shipping plan, which will show you how to get the barcode. Alright, let's jump into the desktop. Okay, as you guys can see, we are in the Amazon Seller Central dashboard. So in the last video I created a dummy listing for the stainless steel garlic press, which we'll use for all of the examples, and we filled in just the most basic information just so that we could create the listing. Here we entered in the UPC code, which we bought from speedybarcodes.com, and now we can go to get the FNSKU, which will be the barcode that we put onto the product packaging. So just to clarify, the UPC barcode is needed, the UPC code is needed to create the listing. However, there is no part of the UPC number that will go onto the packaging. You only need the UPC to create the listing. When you go to actually create your product or the packaging, what will go on the packaging is the FNSKU, which is what we're going to create now. So to create that, after you've created the listing, you will want to go to the Manage Inventory tab. You click on the listing that you want to send inventory to, and up here on the left, click to send replenish inventory. So we are going to just run through this pretty quickly, just because I want to show you that this is how you actually get the barcode. So I mean, if you're creating a real shipping plan, you obviously want to make sure that everything is filled out correctly, like the ship from address, whether it's individual product or case packed. This stuff is explained. Amazon explains this pretty well. It's pretty self-explanatory. But you also need to do this actually just when you want to get the barcode. So for the sake of the video, let's just say that we have there's 10 units per case and we're sending in one case. Doesn't really matter. Okay, we're gonna hit continue, and then right here it says who preps, and since we are putting the barcode ourselves on the packaging, or our supplier is doing that, we're going to put the merchant. If you want Amazon to prep, then they will charge you 20 cents per package, which if you're sending a lot of inventory, that adds up. So it brings you to this page, and you'll see down here it says print labels for this page. This is it, guys. This is the FNSKU right here. So you print labels for this page, download, and out comes out comes your barcode. So what pops out here, these are all identical, right? Because it took the units per package and the number of packages. So I did 10 units per package and we're sending in one package. So it gave us 10 identical barcodes as if we were gonna print these off and put them on ourselves. But what I do is, because I usually have custom packaging created, I will send this to my, sorry guys, got interrupted there for a sec, but as I was saying, this barcode is the FNSKU that you can give to your package designer and they can actually put it into the graphic, and then when your supplier creates the packaging, then your barcode is just, it's there, it's ready to go. You don't have to worry about getting stickers or doing any of that nonsense. So that is the gist of the FNSKU. It's not that complicated. Once you go through it once, it just becomes intuitive and it's really not that difficult. So I hope that was helpful, guys. I hope that cleared up some confusion if maybe you weren't sure what the difference between the UPC and the FNSKU were. Stay tuned for more videos and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, share if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.